Trading 212's Auto Invest feature lets you automatically invest recurring deposits into one or more pies, custom or ready-made portfolios of stocks and ETFs. It supports dollar cost averaging and is free with no commission. Steps to enable Auto Invest. Open the Trading 212 app or web platform and log in. Go to Pies, bottom menu or sidebar. Select or create the pie you want to auto invest into. To create, tap New Pie, add stocks or ETFs, set target percentages, save. On the pie's main screen, tap Auto Invest, gear icon or dedicated button. Toggle Auto Invest to on. Choose frequency, weekly, bi-weekly, monthly, or custom. Set the amount, minimum $1 to $10 depending on pie size. Select funding source, bank transfer, link via Plaid or manual IBAN, or card for instant deposits. Confirm settings. Auto Invest starts immediately or on the next scheduled date. How it works. Money arrives in your Invest Cash balance. On schedule, Trading 212 buys fractional shares to match your pie's target allocations. Dividends can auto reinvest, default setting in Pie Dividends menu.